What did baptism do for you?
It washes out your soul from original sin and make you rich in God's grace.
And makes
You a child of God.
Good job. What does grace do to your soul?
It makes your soul holy and pleasing to God.
Good job. What is actual sin?
Actual sin is a sin we commit ourselves.
What is a venial sin?
A venial sin is a little sin.
Good job. What must I do if I want to be happy with God in heaven?
We must obey God's rules.
What do we call the rules God has given us?
It's just the 10 Commandments.
Good job.
Kind of.
And what are they? Adore,
God in Mass and prayer, because holy name only with love. Keep Sundays holy. Obey your parents. Love everybody.
do pure,
Your actions only.
be honest,
always.
always tell,
the truth.
have
And
pure
desires only.
wish only.
For what is good.
Good job, sweetie.